Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic beer at home, step by step. First, you'll need to gather your organic ingredients, malt, hops, and yeast. Make sure they are certified organic to ensure no pesticides or synthetic fertilizers were used. Next, prepare your brewing water. It should be clean and free of chlorine. Finally, assemble your basic brewing equipment, including a large kettle, fermenter, and sanitizing solution. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful brew. Now, let's get into mashing and boiling. Mash your organic grains in water heated to between 150 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. This converts starches into fermentable sugars. After mashing, sparge the grains by rinsing them with hot water to collect the sugary liquid, called wort. Then, boil the wort for 60 minutes, adding organic hops at different intervals for bitterness and aroma. This step sterilizes the wort and develops flavor. Once the boil is complete, it's time for fermentation. Rapidly cool your wort to between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is ideal for most ale yeasts. Transfer the cooled wort into a thoroughly sanitized fermenter, then pitch your organic yeast. Seal the fermenter and let it sit for 7 to 14 days, allowing yeast to convert sugars into alcohol. After primary fermentation, condition your beer for improved clarity and flavor. Finally, we reach the bottling stage. Ensure all your bottles or kegs are perfectly sanitized to prevent contamination. Carefully transfer your conditioned beer into the containers, adding a small amount of priming sugar to each. This sugar will create natural carbonation during a secondary fermentation in the bottle. Allow the bottles to sit for 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature before chilling and enjoying your homemade organic beer. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.